DGP ke Jila Megalaya LR Bishnoi Hagalai Potrik Ujilio Aja RPR Ulaya the Kjat Banyakandu Iki Paidbah Ban Sngewthuh Iki Jingeh Jonki Hakabe Day Bakajing Bar Jingeh Kali Hakani ke Jingeh Jury Rider Lang SP City Uba Vivek's aim Bar Kiweki Purit Kibasandra Lang Yaki Kani ke Jingeh Kjat Krasdang Ladu Kandai Lat Shamwat Plan Madan Student Jayao Pedeng Bat Jayao Maubana Hakani ke Jingeh ke Jong Ulaya Keren Bar Kibriu Kibiyat Linti Ki Nongshong Dukan Bar Kumjoru Ki Kena Samla
All well? With helmet, for whom you are waiting?
Waiting for customer in Rapido.
Waiting for Rapido?
No, sir, these are Rapido drivers. Huh?
Rapido driver?
Okay. They take a pillion rider with them. And they drop them wherever. All over
Shillong, you pick up the passenger, drop from one place to another. All are Rapido drivers. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, all the best. So basically, we have visited some areas to understand the problems faced by the people and simultaneously also to supervise the existing security arrangement. If the need arises, we can strengthen the existing security. That is why I decided to speak and interact with the citizens here so that they can tell us any problem is there or not. So I am very happy that most of the people, they are satisfied with the existing security arrangement, and we will continue to dominate the area so that the miscreants should not create any problem here. So that was the purpose of visit, and just also to understand the nitty-gritties of the area, local problems here, because these are the area like Harijan Colony, Jayao areas, and some other areas where we are receiving complaints about the drug abuse and other things. So that is why I decided to come and see personally the areas, the topography also, and to interact with the people also. Next week, most probably Tuesday, we will be meeting with all the headmen there along with the team of my officer, and we will definitely interact with them, understand their view of problems here in the area, and we will seek their support and help. My message is very simple, that youth, they should concentrate on their study. They should not indulge in any illegal activities. If they have any problems, they should feel free to approach the police and the civil administration. We will try our best to redress their grievances. So they should remain away from the illegal things like drug trafficking, human trafficking, extortions, threatening people for no reasons or assaulting people. So these things will send very wrong signal outside the state also. And most of the people, they don't like these things. Fortunately, even your headmen or people from media or prominent citizens of the society, they also protested these. These are not good things for the states. So my message is also same, that they should remain away from this. They should cooperate with the police. If any problem is there, we will overcome this problem unitedly, jointly.